Hey ladies and gentlemen, today we have here the 2020 M8 Competition, and it says starting around $146,000, and I believe it's equipped with 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. This is a gorgeous vehicle, and this is BMW's ultimate vehicle. As you can see, you have the M8 badge right there. Very aggressive front end. Man. Then you have the laser beam headlights. You all see the blue in the inside. Then coming down here, you have all of your carbon. Then you have your carbon at the bottom as well. Front parking sensor. I mean, this vehicle have all of the bells and whistles. Then coming down at the feet, you have the black 19-inch wheels with the blue M Performance brake calipers. Then you also have the M on the wheel as well. Man, those wheels are a nice touch. Then on the side fin, or whatever you want to call it, you have that carbon glistening as well with the M8 blacked out. Then coming up here, you have the carbon on the mirrors as well. I mean, this thing is loaded with carbon. Then carbon on the top as well, guys. Man, this is a fabulous vehicle. Absolutely gorgeous vehicle from every angle. Literally every angle. Coming to the back, you have, again, the carbon diffuser at the bottom. Dual pipes on both sides. Very amazing sounding vehicle. M8 Competition. So all of your friends and family members know. Coming up here, you have the carbon on the wing as well. I mean, just look at it, man. Harman and Kardon speakers. No, Bowers and Wilkins. I'm sorry about that, guys. Bowers and Wilkins. Fabulous, amazing sound system. I mean, just look at it. Again, very aggressive look from the rear. I mean, this right here is, I think, what's really setting it off. Man. But I'm gonna show you all the key fob, and we're gonna go ahead and hop in, guys. You have your key fob right here, guys. You know, the general M key, unlock, lock, and trunk button. One thing I do wish is that it had, excuse me, guys. One thing I do wish, I wish it had remote start, but unfortunately we do not. And before we hop in, I want to show you all the camera up top. And that camera is for allowing you to see what's in front of you. And as you step in, you have the M8 Competition, so all your friends and family members know. Bowers and Wilkins sound system. Diamond stitching all along the door. And I'm sure all of you know that this vehicle does have the smart access feature, where you can just leave the key fob in your pocket, lock it, and walk away. And as you can see, the mirrors do fold, giving you that very nice look. But we're gonna go ahead and hop back in, guys. Just put your hand behind the door. This is gonna unlock for you guys. As you all can see, it comes equipped with those nice seats, heated and cooled, diamond stitching in the center. And this is all option, guys. All of these are maxed to the option. So we're gonna go ahead and hop in. You have that carbon all along here. Then you have the M on your shifter. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on, we're gonna put our foot on the brake pedal and hit that start button, guys. As you can see, all the red accents, so all of your friends and family members know that this is the competition and that this is something very special. I really like this touch right here, how the M8 Competition is just right there in the center. I believe the M8 is the only vehicle that BMW do this with, but I wish they would do it more often with the M5 and M6 where they put the badges on here, guys. That's a very, very nice touch. As you all can see, it has the lighting. It's very, very bright, but you all can really see the lighting. You all see the lighting? Man, and it looks very amazing. Very, very nice map setting. And as you all know, that you can come down here and you can control everything. Or if you would like, you can control it with the touch screen. Coming along here, you have your heated and cooled seats, whether you want heated or cooled. Passenger also have those same options, but we're gonna turn that off for now. It's not too hot out here. Then you have the max defrost and the max rear defrost as well. And then you have all of your settings right here. This is how you all control it. Fan speed, you have the menu right here. I mean, this vehicle is just amazing. Then you have your temperature as well. Then the passenger has all of those settings if they would like to set their seats or vents on the same as yours. Coming over to the steering wheel, we have the M on the steering wheel. You have this very, very nice layout. Then you have 200 on the dash, as you all can see. You have all of your fuel on this side. You have your engine temperature on that side, and the 8-speed transmission on this side, guys. And if you all would like, you can turn it on M mode. And what that's gonna do is put it in like a racetrack mode for you guys. Let me close this door. And as you all can see, it's in park right now. But man, you have the kilometers, and then you have the miles per hour, and then you have the park up here. Then you have that M8 badge right there, just so you know, and just to give you a reminder. Have your temperature down here, and all of this can be set to maps or whatever you all would like. I'm gonna press that M mode, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna go back in regular mode. But this is the maps right here. I'm in a parking lot right now, and as you can see, the street is somewhat on this side. But man, this is a gorgeous vehicle, guys. If you all are in the market to look for a very nice vehicle and you don't want to spend the Lamborghini kind of money, even though this is like $150, please consider this vehicle as one of your vehicles, guys. And I believe this is a competitor of the AMG GT that Mercedes have. But I can't really say anything about that vehicle because I haven't drove that vehicle. But if you would like to, you have your exhaust right here. If you would like to close your exhaust, I'm sorry about the focus, it has been horrible today. But you have your exhaust if you would like to turn off your exhaust and you want to close it if you're in a quiet neighborhood or whatever it is, or if you don't just want it to be aggressive. But if you do, you would simply just press that exhaust and it's going to come on for you guys. Then if you want to press setup, what that's going to do, it's going to allow you to put your engine in comfort, efficient, whatever you would like right here. If you want to go full aggressive, you're going to press sport. The chassis, the suspension, or whatever, sport plus. Steering, sport is going to tighten your steering wheel up for you guys, and your brakes as well. It's going to stop a lot harder. But if you want to do everyday use, you're going to go comfort and efficient, every single last one of them. And this vehicle will not be too jerky or anything like that, or won't throw you back in your seat or anything like that. If your wife's driving it, if your kids are driving it, anything like that, guys. You maybe just want to do full comfort. Sport Plus is very, very aggressive. But coming in here, you have your cup holders. You have your phone charger right here. You have that aluminum finish to give you that very, very great look. And on the shifter, I'm pretty sure I already went over this, but I have the M on the shifter, the blue and navy blue and sky blue stitching right here on the side. And you also have it on the steering wheel as well. But this compartment right here is a pretty decent size. You can put a lot. As you can see, I can stick my whole hand in there, so that should give you all a full understanding of how much room is inside this thing. You have your volt and your phone charger right here if you would like. And man, just look at this vehicle, guys. That's just for the passenger, and this is for you, the driver. And I love all the aluminum finish on this vehicle. All of that right there. You have it up here. And this kills it as well. All of that carbon just glistening. Aluminum finish right there on the speaker. And at nighttime, this vehicle looks so amazing, guys. And the speakers light up. You have a LED light to come along here. You have a LED light to come down here. I mean, this car is just fabulous. Then you have those seat belts with the M stitching on it as well, as you all can see. With the red, navy blue, and sky blue again. Then you have that M8 badge with the M colors as well, guys. Now, one thing I would say, oh yeah, let me go over this as well. As you all know, I love the Alcantara that is on this roof. This Alcantara is fabulous. And also hand gesture. This is the hand gesture sensor right here. This is the hand gesture sensor. And what that does is when you're listening to music, let me turn on some music for you guys really fast. Just gonna turn on FM. And when I do this, that's gonna do is gonna turn down the vehicle volume. Then if you would like, you could turn it up. As you all can see, as I do my hand gesture like that, it turned all the way down, guys. That's a very unique feature. Very unique. But we're gonna step out and view the back seat, guys. Now, depending on how tall you is, there isn't very much backseat room, but if you would like, you could put someone back here. As you can see, that Alcantara is up here as well. Very nice touch. I'll step in the back seat for you guys as well. As you can see, I don't have very much room. Wow. I don't have very much room, guys. But you see the window, those speakers light up as well. They have somewhat of diamond cut stitching in the rear as well. But man, just look at the cockpit from the back seat, guys. Tell me that doesn't look amazing. Passenger side looks great too. And I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. Oh, that was a very tight seating position. I'm just gonna shut that off, guys. And yeah, I believe this is gonna wrap up this review. I'll show you all what's inside of the hood as well of the M8 Competition, because I know maybe a lot of you guys want to see a full in-depth tour on this vehicle if you are considering this vehicle. But there it goes, guys. The twin turbo 4.4 liter V8, guys, producing 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. As you can see, all the M badges. Very gorgeous engine. You have two end tanks right here, one right there, and one on this side as well. But yeah, guys, that's the big boy that's producing all the power. That's going to wrap up today's video, guys. This is the 2020 BMW M8 Competition, guys. Starting around 146,000. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you all enjoyed this content. But I'll catch you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.